Hey guys, good morning. Today is Thursday. What is it? July 20th. Guess who's working on actually posting her first vlog? This girl. We're gonna talk about that in a minute, guys. I am late. I called out of work today because I need to let me make sure everything's okay. I think everything's all right. So, I want to talk about our vlog that I'm going to be posting soon. It's actually uploading to YouTube as we speak, and I cannot be more excited. I started the like titling and all that stuff while it's loading. I'm kind of annoyed that I have to leave and like go about my day. I kind of want to sit there and do that, but it is what it is. I am just excited that I made it to this point. Hold on, let me charge my phone. Actually, let me get out of here and I will get to you guys when I am on my way. I need to stop by my mom's house real quick, and then I am going to the car dealership to go and get my brakes done. That really needs to get done. And I will check in with you on my way. Bye. Hey guys, how you doing? So I just left my mom's house. There was a change of plans on the way out there. While I was on my way over, I was just going to stop by, grab something, and then leave to go do the car, but I don't know, plans would change a little bit, so I ended up just kind of sitting down, chit chat a little bit, or whatever. But yeah, I was telling her about me posting with you guys and how I was editing my videos last night, and I currently have my very first vlog uploading to YouTube as we speak, and I think I have to like do other things before it's actually published. But before I left the house, I was working on the title and putting some things in. I did do a quick search on Google. I guess that's how you figure out like the trends, I guess I was attempting to look at trends. So I looked up the YouTube search first vlog, and I found this very nice young woman who posted her first vlog I think 11 months ago, and her first video was really good. Kind of made me feel bad about mine, but I'm not going to be too discouraged because I still like mine, and I think that you will like it too. I hope you'll like it too, because it's mine. I made it. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, but I think I'm getting better. Last night I made a thumbnail, and I think it came out really good. So yeah guys, I'm excited. I'm really excited. So the video is gonna go up today. I'm gonna make my goal of the 6-month mark. We are halfway through the year. The year is almost over, and I am posting my first YouTube vlog just in time to prepare for my birthday. Not to say I'm doing anything crazy. I never really do anything crazy for my birthday. But I am excited to have be creating or building my own little community. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited to be with you guys. So I was telling my mom, I think my goal is for the first 6 months. At first I told her 20 people. I'm just looking for about maybe 20 subscribers and I'll be happy. And then as I was talking to her, I was like, well, maybe 20 is like, you know, too little. You know, maybe I need to be like a little bit more, you know, generous with myself. So I said 100. She's like, no. 100's too much. 100's too much. That's a lot. She's so funny. So I still want it to be 100. I think 100 is a good goal for 6 months of pushing out consistently. Hopefully I'm actually consistent with it. I think I could get 100 loyal subscribers. Because this is all completely from scratch, you guys. I don't have like anybody that I know is not, I'm not telling anybody that I'm posting. I started to kind of sort of like, because like for a while now, like I told you guys, I've been wanting to start this channel, and I'll say I don't entirely like the responses that I get from loved ones, like friends and family or whatever. So I am like, so I'm not telling anybody. I'm just posting, and they will see the progress, and then they'll get it. So, just like what everybody says, right? Like, strangers support you first, and then people that actually know you want to jump on the bandwagon or whatever. But I'm okay with that. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. Yeah, guys, I'm posting today. So I am on my way now to the car dealership so that I could get these brakes done. I don't know if you could hear them, but I let them get pretty bad, which is no bueno. But I guess there was a recall anyhow, or I don't know, whatever. I am getting them done. And after that, I'm going back. I have class, my last, thank God, my last remediation class at 1. And then after that, I don't know. Probably, I do know, I'll probably go back to my mom's house. And that's it. So I guess I will check in with you guys when I get closer to the dealership, maybe, or if I think of some other things to mention to you guys. I feel like I be having like things to say when the camera's down, and then when I pull it up, I just get so like excited and I just forget everything. Okay, all right, so I will chit chat with you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so I just got to the dealership. I went into the wrong entrance. I went into the sales area, and then now I'm about to go around the corner to service. Let's see if I can show you guys a little something. If I put the camera like that. Do I just pull up? I guess. Okay. Let's see how this goes, guys. Pull up there, okay. Well, probably should have said something before you saw me get out the car, sir. You saw me shut off the car and everything. Oh, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Fine, thank you. 38901.
Get in there. It's too dark, you guys see? Yeah.
Check in with them.
Thank you. You too. Should I leave the key?
Please.
Where is it? Hold on, guys. I have to get him the key. Yes. Hi. I have an appointment today.
What's the last one? I think we'll just wait around back for him.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Have this car been here with us before?
Yes.
What's the phone number? I mean the registration, if you don't mind?
Sure.
Please, thank you. So we'll see what phone number they have listed under.
Okay.
Would you like to change that or would you like to leave that?
Could leave it.
Okay. And what are we doing this morning?
Brakes. He mentioned some kind of recall on the rotors or something of the sort.
Recall?
I think so. I might, hopefully I'm not mistaken.
There's any open recalls on your vehicle, and there's absolutely none. There was one that it was to check the battery on the vehicle, like the size of the battery, and that was completed on December 2nd, 2021. But there's no bulletins, there's no extensions, there's nothing on on this particular vehicle.
Okay. 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 All right, sounds good. Thank you. Okay, so we'll move forward.
Okay. So we're gonna check the brakes. There.
Yeah?
Yeah. And you're gonna be waiting, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was a bit of a process. Hey guys, can you see me? I'm looking in the mirror. I'm in the bathroom right now, looking at the glass, the reflection, to see if I'm in the frame. So I'm at the dealership. As you saw, I think I kind of panned the camera a little bit so you could see. Waiting is a little bit chilly, and y'all know this might be a little TMI, but ladies, y'all know if you wear the body shapers, I am always wearing a body shaper. And you know, like when you wear, especially if you wear like a thong, sometimes it gets a little, things start pinching. You know what I mean? So I had to come to the bathroom and kind of adjust a little bit so that it's not pinching me anymore. But as I was here, I'm actually finishing the vlog that I was watching this morning with Gina. But as I was here, I was like, oh, let me try to turn on the camera and do it. I'm like, oh my God, is this a thumbnail shot? Your girl might have an official thumbnail shot. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, isn't this how the girls do? They're here, they take a quick view of themselves. that? Look at me. Your girl's a little vlogger, honey. Anyway, I saw on my way to the bathroom, I saw that they have like little tea or coffee stations. I'm gonna try and get me some coffee because it's kind of chilly. That's the one thing I don't like about summer. I feel like everything, let me see if I can just put this down. It's getting a little cold. Indoors is just super, super cold when you're like, when it's summertime. Like the other day at my job, it was freezing, so cold. Like 2 days in a row, and I had to ask them to kind of put the heat, not the heat, but at least turn off the AC. Right now in that place it's really, really cold. But the bathroom's warmer. Anyhow, just wanted to come say hello, I guess, and I don't know, talk to you all a little bit more. I'm really excited. I got myself a little mirror pick. So I guess that's like something I'm supposed to do when I'm out and about. I should find the bathroom and get myself a little outfit check. I like this look a lot. My mom really loved it. This is a bodysuit from New York & Company. Some regular degular jeans from, I think, Old Navy. Nothing too expensive. Y'all know I'm on a budget, so I haven't really been buying like expensive things or anything like that. Cause I'm on a budget. But I like it. It looks cute. The green really pops really nice. These pants are a little bit on the loose side. My tush looks nice. She looks good. Is she giving? I guess I'm supposed to be clicking pictures of stuff too so I could add to thumbnails and whatnot, but we're gonna slowly get there, y'all. Anyways, let me go try and see if I get some coffee or something. Put my earbud back in so I can finish watching Gina. I'm gonna try to hold the camera as well. Whoops. Pause it. Alright, y'all. Let's go. Can I grab some coffee? Of course. Thank you. French vanilla kind of girl. How does it work? It's like, wow, okay. So it's like these packet things here. Let me show you guys. I think I'm gonna get the flavors right here. I think I'm gonna grab one of these. Let me see how this works. Oh, it says it right here. Let me show you that. Let me show you this. So I guess here I pressed coffee. Can you see? I pressed coffee, regular, and then this thing popped up. Okay, I just kind of stick it in,
Other way.
like that. Oh, okay. Okay, and then close it. That's it. Everything's supposed to go. Oh, there it is. Thank you. Getting ready to leave. Check out. I'm also on the phone with the pharmacy. Wait a minute. Hi.
No, la llave tiene que ser en el carro.
Thank you. So the car should be out here, right here?
Outside to the left.
All right, thank you. All right, guys, finally out of here. Where's the car?
Right behind the wall.
Behind the wall. Thank you.
Here. Don't forget your sticker, okay?
Right there, baby.
My sticker, yes, yes, I'll make sure to do it.
All right.
Thank you. I guess I'll go through this door. All right, guys, we're out of here. I'll go this way. All right. She said it's behind the wall. Oh, there's the car right there. Like a whole to-do to find the car. All right, so 2.5 hours later, we are done and out. Now, ooh, I have to go to my class. I think this is just enough time for me to make it there. Pretty much on time. I'm probably gonna have to stop to try to grab some kind of food or something. But I don't know where. And I'm still on the phone with the pharmacy in my ear trying to take care of some things. So, I don't know. I guess I will chat with you guys when I am done with this phone call. And, yeah, in the meantime, I'm going to try to figure out something to eat. Hopefully something that's too... Oh, it's ringing. They're probably going to put me on hold again. It's done this like a couple of times. They'll start ringing as if they're going to pick up and then go the whole music again. Let's see. Nope. Hold music. It's a game. All right. I'm excited. Hi, my name is... I guess I'll talk to you guys a little bit before I start my journey. I don't even know where I'm going right now. But I just got out of my very last remediation class. Thank God. Let me put the window down a little bit because it's a little bit hot. And I haven't put the AC on. Guys, while I was in that class today, I was thinking like, this could be so discouraging. I kind of regret, I don't know if I should say it out loud. I want to do this, yes. But feeling like how I have grown to feel during this experience so far is something that I really wish I never signed up for. I don't think I needed this stress in my life. And then, like, especially the things that happen afterwards, like in my personal life that nobody could control or whatever. I kind of regret this whole experience. But I'm also too deep in to stop. I wish I didn't tell. Should I say, like, my family that I was pursuing this? Also, I wouldn't be able to hide it. But now, like, I feel like I have to do it now, and I just feel like this school experience, y'all, let me tell you something. It's not just the healthcare system that's all fucked up and racist as hell. The schooling, the professors, the same nurses that you see in the field, the same doctors you see in the field, the same systematic oppression that you see in the field is literally happening, like, in the classroom as well. The professors are racist. They're failing people intentionally. Like, it's an interesting experience, y'all. I haven't told y'all yet, but my school is literally now trying to fight basically losing their accreditation. Not because of only test scores during COVID, but because they are foundationally fucked up. And yeah, there was like a meeting with the board of nursing, and like we were able to listen in, and some of the things, there was this one lady in particular that was really pissed off, that seemed really pissed off with my school, and everything that she was listing, her questions and her concerns were valid. She was mentioning things that students had experienced and are still experiencing and going through, things that have altered their journey in this whole thing, and it's really, really bad. And I just can't help but think, like, why am I going to this field? I know why I'm going to the field. I mean, I'm going to the field essentially to make more money so that I can continue investing in, like, real estate and stuff. But, like, working in the healthcare field, I mean, maybe like an administrative kind of portion of things, trying to make real differences, but being in the day-to-day, the hustle, the grind, And that would include like the BS that you go through on a day, the consistent racist bullshit. It's so ridiculous. And like this schooling experience, my professor, should I say names? She went by Penny, I could say that. There's another woman, Joyce. It's just I don't know. I'm gonna keep pushing through though, because they want you to fail, right? That's why they make you feel this way. That's why they are doing little things to kind of steer you away from your goals and what you're doing. So I'm gonna continue it. It's just that I just feel some type of way. Yeah, I really feel some type of way about my experience. So far, and I have like another year to go. I don't know, guys. But anyways, I am going to call my mom now. And I guess I will chit chat with y'all some other time. Maybe later today or something. I don't know. Alright, that's all. Bye. Okay. Hey guys. Can you see me okay? I think so. So, I am at my mom's house. I'm in the basement. And I got my, I don't want to show the address, Dossier package. I was telling you guys about, let me put this mirror down. I was telling you guys about the return that I made, like, was it a week ago? I don't know, recently. I think it was about a week ago. So I got this pretty quick, I think. But it was in fact an exchange. So I got the package here and I decided to come down the basement because my mom's sleeping. So I decided to come down and maybe do a mini opening or haul or, you know, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And I figured instead of waiting till I got home, it probably been late and I probably wouldn't have opened it until like a couple of days later, because I know tomorrow's going to be a really busy day for me. And I probably won't have time to chat with you guys too much unless I create the time, which I'm going to try to do, but I definitely want to at least get this done now. So, Dossier. So same packaging, which looks great. It's really nice and clean. I know y'all see a lot of the girls with their Dossier ads or whatever. So the scent that I got is Ambery Vanilla. Does it have any information, child? Last time, like, I barely even really looked through the box because it just smelled not good, the other scent that I got. This is much better. Already I can see like a big difference. So it comes with this little information card here. Ambery Vanilla. It says the notes are top notes: mandarin, pear, pink pepper, mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice. Middle notes are jasmine and orange blossom. Base notes are cedarwood, patchouli,